Hello viewers, how to download Photoshop CS3. There are many Photoshop version in this world now available. Everyone knows very well Photoshop, what needed for this computer software. Photoshop software's photo editing software. This software many photo effected editing and crop. There are many tools in Photoshop. So I already use Adobe Photoshop CS. Many days ago I used it Adobe Photoshop 7. So now I want to show that how to download Photoshop CS3. So CS3, what needed for this better than Photoshop CS or about Adobe Photoshop 7. So what you are waiting for? I want to show that how to download Photoshop CS3 portable version. I download this and extract file and how to use it, many tools easily and secret method of mine. So don't skip video, please view the video last time. Thank you so much. So let's start the work. Open the browser and click the browser, type the Adobe Photoshop CS3 last type drive or Google Drive type, okay, then enter press and I now browser facing this Adobe Photoshop CS3 portable version Google Drive. Thank you so much. Click this file and open the Google Drive folder. Owner already uploaded this, just I want to download and work. Okay, so already download start. My internet speed not bad. Please don't skip video. I want to show many secret Photoshop CS3 tools better than Photoshop 7 or Photoshop CS or Photoshop CS2 or Photoshop CS7 or Photoshop CS6. There are many Photoshop version in the world now available. This is the best one for you. You download this, don't want to set up, only download this and use it manually, easily. So what are waiting for? Now let's start. My download already has finished. Now this file extract, already zip file, so I want to extract here. Already extract, just double click, run the administrator. Already my Photoshop CS3 start my interface. Thank you. What a wonderful facing. So now select the one picture just for work. So I want to download internet one picture. Just Windows picture I use it for my security. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, and guys and audience who watching my video, just say that I want to say that how to use it Adobe Photoshop CS3 or better than Adobe Photoshop CS7 or CS6 or CS version. So CS3 is the best in the world. Just use it. Control plus M. Control U. Just function. You research it. Main had to sense Adobe Photoshop CS3. Just background this Control J and create the layer and click the create new filter a adjustment layer, black and white. This black and white option are not available Adobe Photoshop CS7 or CS version. I want to show that Photoshop CS3. I cut the Photoshop CS3 and start my Adobe Photoshop CS version, and then I want to show that black and white function is not available Adobe Photoshop CS or Adobe Photoshop CS7. This is the best in the world Adobe Photoshop CS7. So just select the one picture, this Ctrl J and adjustment layer. Guys, check this, not showing black and white function. Everyone knows that how to seal remove of my document, any document, how to remove seal, that's use black and white. I want to show that how to remove any seal Photoshop CS3 easily, or many secret Photoshop CS3 functional tools, how can use it. Please wait for my next video. I want to show how to flat my secret. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for alert my YouTube video any moment. Thank you so much.